Good day, everyone. Welcome back to another day trading recap. So today, the big news for today was that Microsoft is planning to acquire Activision. So let me bring over here the news, the catalyst. So Microsoft to buy video game giant Activision for 69 billion in cash. Software behemoth Microsoft on Tuesday announced a blockbuster deal to buy video game publisher Activision Blizzard for 68.7, let's get this out of the way, for 68.7 billion in cash. Microsoft stock Microsoft stock dipped while Activision stock skyrocketed on the news. So this is exactly what happened. So when the news came up, it was around here a little bit before 8:30. The news of the acquisition came out and it dropped below. It started dipping down, and but then after a few minutes at 8:30, it quickly bounced back up. So this is why it caught my attention, Microsoft. And if you look at the daily even, right? It was bouncing off this 304 level quite a few times on the 10th, the 13th, and the 14th. I actually traded this stock on the 14th, kind of the same play. So then I went to the lower time frame, and you can see clearly over here that this 304, 303 level was holding pretty well, but it was kind of choppy. So what I was looking for is if it was going to hold above this 304 level once the news, the catalyst came in. So you can see it held pretty well. It held pretty well above this 303, 304 level. At the open, it went down below this level, but it quickly snapped back up. And that's when I went long. Kind of like an opening range break, but not quite. 1 minute open range breakout would have been here at the 304.88 level. But I had this 304 25 level marked up, was what I think this was actually. Yeah, it was let me see. Yeah, it was previous day open level. That's why I had it over there. This was the previous open level. So I want to see if it reclaimed this level after this drop down. And it did exactly that. It dropped down and it quickly pushed up above the VWAP, and that's when I went long. And I had a stop over here at 303.63. My entry point was around 304.25. I got 2R, and I saw some bids start coming in at on the level 2, and that's why I covered all. But obviously that's my problem, right? And not being able to hold my trade for longer and getting the run. I got it over here, and you see the large bid coming in. It did come back down, but it pushed back up, and I probably should have re-entered over here. But all in all, this was a 2R win. It was a great entry, but I was not able to hold to my target, unfortunately. And if you guys have been following the channel, you guys know that that's my main problem, holding my trades. But at the end of the day, it's a 2R win. I ended the day up 2R as well. I had a few other minor trades. I think I was minus 0.5 R on CCL. So I win, or I think, zero point 0.5, and I lost 1 over here, so minus 0.5 R. And I had another trade on Baba. So both these trades on Baba and CCL, they were mainly level 2 plays. So on Baba, I lost 1 R over here, but plus 1.5 R over here. But nothing too crazy on those two trades. Really, the trade that mattered today was the trade on Microsoft. So the way I trade catalysts is once the catalyst comes in, I like to look for the price to kind of consolidate either above a certain level or below a certain level. That would dictate if I'm planning to go long or short. So in this case, I decided to go long because it was hovering above this 304 level that I liked. And once the market opened, it dipped down below a little bit, but it pushed straight back up, and that's where I went long. So that's it. I hope you guys liked the recap, and I see you guys next time.